Justin here with Covered 6, and today we're going to be talking about the Condor Elite Pursuit bag. One of the tools that we use regularly in our business is the drone. We use it for surveillance, aerial reconnaissance, and also for our marketing productions. Now let's go over real quick how we actually have the bag set up for this application. The Condor bag actually comes blank on the inside, but you'll see that there's soft loop that lines the entire inside of the bag, all the way around on the bottom and on the inside of the flap. So this allows a lot of versatility in how you actually can set it up. We've decided to purchase some dividers that you would have for a standard camera bag, and that will allow us to segment the pack off. So we can have the drone in here, we can have all of our attachments, we can have cables and extra battery packs, the controller, as well as our screen with our mini iPad. So some of the reasons why I really like this bag for this application is if you look at the bag, there's not a lot of flashy stuff on the outside. It's very discreet and nondescript, which allows you to carry it in public without people wondering what you have going on inside. It's also very versatile. There's many ways that you can actually carry this bag. For this application, I prefer the backpack because oftentimes we'll either be using a bike or hiking into a location to get it set up and actually use it for our job. We hope you found this video useful. There are many other uses that we have within our company for this pack, and you can find those on our YouTube channel. Just do a search for Pursuit Pack and you should be able to find those. If you want to learn more about other gear that we carry, visit c6gear.com, or to learn more about Covered 6, go to covered6.com. Talk to you soon.